Healthy living starts with healthy water. Luxuriously fresh, wonderfully clean, filtered water for your skin, your hair, and all of life's little messes. As seen in Self magazine and on Dr. Oz, Aquasana shower filters protect your skin from exposure to harsh chlorine that can cause excessive drying. Your hair will be noticeably softer and shinier, and your color will stay true and last longer. From the moment you lather to the moment you towel dry, you can now shower in the clean, healthy water your body craves. Our coconut shell carbon media is NSF tested and certified to reduce contaminants. It's also eco-friendly, so you can know you're doing good for the environment while doing good for your body. Choose from our premium massaging shower head or handheld wand in chrome or white. Enjoy multiple massage settings to customize your shower experience. Using your own shower head? We have a solution for that too. Replace your filters every 6 months to keep your shower flowing with clean, healthy water. It's time to love your hair and skin again. Purchase your Aquasana shower filter today.